Hi everyone and welcome. Today let's do a review of the Plum vegan makeup. So these are the products which I got from the Plum website recently, and they have a lot of offers and freebies in place. Today let's start with the freebies which I got. So this is a kit which I got as a freebie which has a mini perfume. It's got a bullet matte lipstick as well, which is of shade red. It also has a liquid matte lipstick which is again of shade red. Along with this I got a body mist which is of gin and another body mist which is of rose. And I also got this small kit which has a mini body lotion, body oil and a body mist. Now let's do a full face of makeup with the Plum vegan makeup products. To start with, I'm going to be using this MasterStrobe Illuminizer strobe cream. So this is of shade kind of golden. It gives you a beautiful highlighted look even before applying your makeup. It acts as a primer and it gives a beautiful glow. This can be used as a highlighter as well post applying your makeup. You can see here how shiny the face is, and you don't really need much of makeup once you apply this. Next we'll use the foundation. So this is the soft blend foundation. This is a weightless foundation and this shade is Honey Creme. This foundation is really lightweight. It blends in so beautifully. As you can see here, it's just getting in invisible to my skin. And this shade is also really great for a medium to deep skin tone. It blends in so beautifully. It gives a beautiful natural matte finish and it is great for daily use because it's vegan. So this is one of the best foundation I have used so far. It is lightweight. It gives a second skin feel. Next we'll go to the concealer. Again, this is a soft blend concealer and this is of shade Tan Glow. It beautifully highlights and conceals your pigmentation of your face, and it is lightweight. It blends in so beautifully and gives a beautiful natural matte finish. As you can see here, it is blending in so beautifully. It is covering your pigmentation so well, and this shade as well is really good for a medium to deep skin tone. So the shade range is not great in this. This is the last shade which I could find, and it goes well for a medium to deep skin tone. So this is again one good vegan concealer which you can definitely use it on daily basis, and it gives a great coverage. Next we'll move on to the matte compact. So it gives a really good matte finish, but the packaging was really bad, but the finish of this product is really good. So if you get a proper packaged product from Plum, then you are really lucky. I got two products and both were really damaged, but the product is really great. You can see how beautiful the finish is. Next we'll see the Plum I Swear by Kajal. So this is a great kajal. It is smudge proof and it is good for sensitive eyes. I really love the finish of it. Next we'll see the mascara. This is also the I Swear by mascara. It gives you really good volume, and again this is good for sensitive eyes, and it is long lasting, waterproof, and it is great for daily use. You can see how beautiful this finish is. Next I'm going to be using this lip and cheek tint, and this is a really great shade. I will mention the shade name in the description. It blends in so beautifully and it looks great on a medium to deep skin tone. It is subtle and it is great for daily use definitely. You can see how beautiful this finish is. Next I'm going to be using the Matte in Heaven liquid lipstick, and this is of shade Cocoa Mocha. So this is a great lightweight lipstick which is transfer proof, smudge proof, and this shade is very beautiful for a medium to deep skin tone. It glides in so beautifully and it really lasts for a very long time. I've used it, and again it's vegan, it is safe to use, and it is a go-to lipstick for me. So I'm setting my face with a makeup sponge just to ensure there is not too many products on my face. You can see here how well the finish of these products are. I really loved it. I love the finish of every product. It gives a beautiful glow because of the Illuminizer strobe cream, if I'm not wrong. So this is a vegan product which you can definitely use it without any hesitation. I hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, please click on like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.